Eighth step to financial freedom. In this video, I want to talk about the eighth step you need to take to financial independence. So, someone once gave me a good example of an entrepreneur, which I love all the time. He said an entrepreneur is a crazy person who risks their own money for freedom rather than exchanging their freedom for money. And this shows what entrepreneurs go through on a daily basis in an attempt to achieve their financial freedom, to achieve their aim, to create a life that they could be proud of. An entrepreneur is someone who risks a crazy person to the world. You seems like a crazy man. Guy, you know what? You don't know what you are doing. You are stupid, you are crazy. Oh my God. Are you really sure you are with your senses? An entrepreneur is a crazy person who risks not only their money, their resources for freedom, rather than exchanging their freedom for money, because you know the value of freedom. And in this video, I'm going to show you 8 steps to financial freedom. 8 steps that will take you 8 basic steps, 8 simple steps, 8 steps to being financially free. Alright, my goal with this channel is to show you various ways you can start making money on the internet. I created this channel as a place to document my journey and as a resource that will show you how to make money online. It is my goal to show you how to start growing an online business, how to grow and scale an online business, a side hustle that can help you create a side income. Frankly speaking, making money don't really need to be that difficult. Trust me, a lot of people are doing it and you also can do it. So, making money don't need to be that difficult. It's my goal to show you various ways you can create side hustles you can rely on to build a business that will support you and ultimately create a passive income just for you. I want to show you various tips and tactics that will allow you to make money online, work from home, and help you create a lifestyle of your choice. So, please, if you think making money online is something you want to learn, if you think making money online is a route you want to go, if you think this is something you want to explore, you want to explore various ways you can make money online, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for videos like this and various videos that will show you how to make money online. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the red bell notification button so that when I upload more videos like this, you will be among the first person to get notified of my future videos. And also, in regard to this, check out my free training in the description below. Check out the link in the description below that shows you exactly how to make a full-time income with my #1 business system. What is my #1 business system? When you click on the link below in the description, it's going to take you to this page, which is a free training that reveals to you how to start earning about $300 to $500 per day with affiliate marketing. It shows you how to earn stable affiliate commissions with affiliate marketing starting today. Check it out for my free 7 days training that shows you how to make money on the internet with affiliate commission. When you click the link below, it takes you to this page, and if you click this link to get instant access, it requests for your name and email address. When you sign up on the site, it takes you to this page where it shows you my trainings on how to make money online. It's a 7 days training and you get instant access to the first training today, and the other trainings continues in subsequent days. So check it out, my free training on how to make money today. And so let's begin. My 7 ways to make money, my 7 ways or my 7 steps to financial freedom. The first step to financial freedom is to track where your money is going to. First, number one, you want to track where your money is going to. What are you spending money on? What are you investing your money in? Are you giving a good account of your money? Are you giving a good account of your resources? Where are you spending your money? Where is your money going to? Are you investing your money in assets, or are you investing your money in liability? Are you investing your money? Are you spending your money? Are you using your money on something that will build up your income, that will build up your financial freedom? Or are you sucking in your money in something that will be a waste to you in future? So the first step is to track where your money is going to. Number two way to achieving financial fitness is to keep building and learning new skill. Skill equals money. I repeat it again, skill equals money. If you can build high valuable skill, you could use your skill to make money in 2019 and to make money in our economy right now. So keep learning and keep on building new skills that you could depend on, that would lead you to financial freedom. You could learn different skills, that there are so many skills in demand right now, and if you could tap into any of these skills, it would help you achieve your goal. The third way to financial freedom or to financial fitness is to diversify your income stream. Never depend on a single source of income. Never depend on a 9 to 5 job. Never depend on a single stream of income. You want to have multiple businesses that are bringing in passive incomes for you. So build up multiple streams of income. Build out multiple ways to make money, so that if this one dries off today, you have this one that's producing money for you. If this one should work today or stop working today, you have this one that is working for you out. So you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. So diversify your different source of income. That's what makes an entrepreneur. That's what distinguishes an entrepreneur from an employee. You want to make sure you have different ways that income is coming into your life. You want to diversify your income sources, your income stream. And number four is to be an investor, not a consumer. You want to add value to people's life. You want to create. You want to be a creator. You want to be an investor. You want to invest in people's life. You want to invest in resources. You want to be an investor and not a consumer. And number fifth way to being financially free is to pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. I have to speak this 3 times so you know the benefit and how important it means to pay yourself first. Always remember that you are the number one person and you are the one that is responsible for yourself. So learn to pay yourself first. The number sixth way is to start a side hustle. No matter how engaged you are, no matter how full you are, you could still squeeze out 1 or 2 hours per day to start a side hustle, to start a side business that could add more stream to your income. And number seven is to find a mentor. You can find someone that has succeed in your field, that has succeed in what you are doing, and allow the person to coach you, to mentor you, to guide you, stay on the shoulder of giants, to be able to walk the path that such an individual has gone through to achieve what he has today. So if you could stand on the shoulder of giants, find a mentor, be coachable, be trainable, be learnable, and if you could walk in the path of your mentor, you also will be in the place where your mentor is right now. So find mentors that you could learn from. And the final way to staying financially fit is to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one is going to do it for you. You have to believe in yourself. Learn to believe in yourself continually. Believe in yourself. Believe it is possible. Believe you can do it. Believe that you have the thing in you to succeed. Follow these steps, believe in yourself, and I promise you, you will see yourself on the other side of financial success. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video. If you love my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel for videos like this, and check out the link in the description for my free training that shows you how to start earning money, how to start earning dollars online with affiliate marketing. Click on the link to sign up and take you to my training where you start receiving my training on how to make money online. So guys, this is it. Thank you for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.